Hey guys, this is a very quick tutorial on how to actually use MidJourney. If you don't know what MidJourney is, it's basically a platform that allows you to create AI art that literally looks incredible just by using a few words, which I'm about to show you guys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to actually make a Discord account if you don't have one. If you do, then it's going to be very easy. You just go to midjourney.com and then you press on join the beta. Now, if you actually have already logged into Discord, that's perfect because it will just allow you to authorize. Once you authorize it, it'll take you straight to the Discord page. Once you get into Discord, you just scroll down a little bit and you will reach the newbies or the newcomer rooms. Click on any of them, it doesn't really matter which one. I guess you can have a look and see which one you like more. They do offer support as well if you're having any difficulties, but guys, you really probably don't even need that. So now once you've gone down to the newbies messages area, so we want to change the settings. So it's very easy. You just press / and settings, and then you actually click on the settings and you press enter. Once you press enter, you're going to get this. Basically MJ version, this is what everyone's using. Make sure as well that there's remix mode. I'll show you why later. You can do relaxed mode, but I much prefer the fast mode. Now this is, you can actually even change the style. I'm just about to change the style of it to very high. But you know, you can do medium as well. That's pretty cool too. Now once you've changed the settings, you just go back down there and you press / again. And now we're ready to create some images. So we just type in imagine, and then you get a prompt, which you click, and now you're ready to actually start writing things down. So what I like to sometimes do is, if I like an image from someone in the chat, I will see what they wrote for that. So I'll check the prompt. So something like 24K, high resolution, vibrant, image of an octopus with 4 planets around them. Let's do seed. If you want everything tied into one image, just give it a seed. So with the seed, all you have to do is -- seed, and then you can create a number. We can just do that, and then that's it. You can press enter. Now once you press enter, you do have to wait a little bit longer. You'll also notice that a lot of people are generating their images. That's completely fine because I'll teach you how to actually find your images very easily in a second. Now this is what it's actually produced. We'll just wait until it finishes. Now this is the image that it actually produced. Now what I can actually do is I can regenerate some more of it. Another thing I can do is, if I like one of these, so if I like I actually really like the first one. So if I want to upscale it and I guess make it a little better, I just press on this. Another thing that you can actually do is you can remix it. So if I really like this one, for example, I can 1 2 3 4 stands for 1 2 3 4. So you have to allow remixing for to try the V1, V2, V3, V4. I like V1, so I'll click on V1 and let's see what it produces. If you guys can't find your images, that's completely fine. You can actually go to midjourney.com/app, and there you go. These are all the images that you have produced. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, please subscribe and like to help my channel. Thank you guys.